Here we are at Dillard's East Park Plaza Mall here in Little Rock. And check out what we have here. Series 1. This is an original older Series 1. It's red. Parking. Here we are parking. Color changing lanterns. Let's go up to 2. Go back down to parking. Certificate. I think it says 125 feet per minute. This is definitely a weird elevator for a Dillard's. Look at that. Otis. And this goes way up to the parking garage. Or underground parking, I should say. Let's go back up 2. You can't be here. It's a nice 80s cab here. Wonder if Montgomery added that in. Let's go another one. One. There we go. £88. Series 1. The older version of Series 1. I could do these lanterns, but there goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.